What's up, good people? Yo, I'm on my way to Jamaica. Me and my baby sister, my beautiful Marshayla May, about to say goodbye to each other. I love you, girl, man.
Love you
the gas
too.
tank.
Boom, boom.
See you when I touch down. Love you, girl. Hey, y'all gotta look. I'm going through security. My man gonna say, "Sir, you gotta pull up your skinny jeans." Skinny jeans. These ain't skinny jeans. He say, "Bro, those are skinny jeans." Oh no, these are not skinny jeans. You mad at me because you see some. What's up, good people? We on the plane. We about to leave out this bad boy. We out. I don't know what they got going on. Either way it go, we gone. I'm happy as hell. See you guys in Jamaica.
Down to sleep. I'm praying I don't fall too deep. Like locksmith, I got the keys. Pulling, making people bleed. I got water like overseas. Bitch, I ball like NBA. Bitch, I ball like MVP. I got money, they envy me. I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. What was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard. Yeah, I've been thinking.
Oh yeah, we out here. We reach home. It's finna go crazy now. For the next 6 months, you're gonna see nothing but awesomeness. I wanna show you guys everything. Beautiful Jamaica, guys. Welcome back home with me. Welcome home with me. It's finna go crazy, guys. Home for 6 months again. Time to do our thing, baby. Introduce me to a jelly. My very first jelly, brother. Who was the man?
Best thing to drink, man.
You said it washes the soul, right?
Wash your heart.
Wash your heart.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Let's go, good people. You see me? Yeah, but
I will be one of the greatest, that is a vow, yeah, that is a promise. Always wanted to be famous, just being real, yeah, just being honest. My haters gon' always be nameless, giving no clout, I give it no power. Creators been different, they ancient, sooner than later, I'll be out.
So this is the last leg of our trip back down to Boston Bay. Guys, make sure you like this, make sure you tap the screen, make sure you are subscribing at all times, guys. We're gonna get there. This is right here. We are home. Whew. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm out of breath. It's my boy Frank right here, my guy. This the slide. Oh, I got a little. We out here tonight, too. Oh, yeah. This the slide. This most definitely it. I got 2 bedrooms?
One.
Oh, one? Okay. Bet. What's that room? Nothing?
It's not a room.
I get you.
If somebody uses
I
this
get you.
room, you have to pay for it, you know?
I get you. Yeah. Bet. Decent. Appreciate you, bro. How I cut on the fridge? Just close it and plug it in?
Yeah.
Bet. Where I plug it in right here?
No, behind
I see it. All right, bet. Appreciate you. Got me a nice 4-burner stove. I can go out back here?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got back here, good people. Oh yeah, we out here. Washing machine too?
No.
Oh, that's not up. Damn, I'm about to see if I can pay them to use that. Hell yeah. Most definitely. I'm loving it. Oh yeah, we here though. We here. I like it, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like it. Guys, I like this motherfucker. This is it, G. We finna be. Man, look here. Stop playing with me. We here. What's up, the keys? My boy, the keys. Let's go. This it. We have arrived, my friend. I'm sweating because it's hot and because I've been out of shape. But it's time to get back in shape.
I will be one of the greatest, that is a vow,